Guadalupe Peak. We're going to the notch, or the bend as they call it. Oof. We are going. Go. It's partly cloudy right now, and I think this is a good weather, but still, it was supposed to have like a 70% chance of rain. But hey, we're going to Guadalupe Peak. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. And there's Mom. Kamusta, everybody? Once again, I am here. And as usual, I am cold. Always cold. Never been warm. Well, at least that one time in Texas. But still. Hey. We're climbing Guadalupe Peak. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Please don't be carried away by the wind. I am cold. I am so cold. It's starting to get cold here now. We're going up to the top. That top, I guess. Or that top. I don't really know. But we're going. I'm so out of shape. Oh my gosh. I'm this cross country. So originally we planned to go to the top or at the peak of Guadalupe Peak because we wanted to experience one of the tallest mountains in Texas, but that didn't happen because the weather that was predicted at the time said that it was gonna rain, and about 75 or 60% into the hike that we went into, it did rain and the road was getting slicker, the stones, the steps were getting slicker, so we didn't want to risk it, so we went down and rerouted to Devil's Hall, and by the time we got there, the weather cleared. Okay. We're on Devil's Hall, and we just climbed this one. We went from there. You see that? Do you see that pack? From here. Say hi, Sophia.
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi,
Ajay. And we have a spring, I guess. You're welcome. I hope it's not deep. I don't know how to swim, and I hope don't be blown away by the wind cell phone. I don't have a replacement for you yet. Yeah.
Mom is going walking with the giraffe.
Oh, really? But this looks like they're young. They're young still. They look like they're still young.
Yeah, they are young.
Oh.
There's probably several different age groups.
Oh, there's a seal on the bottom. Look at this seal.
New tarantula.
Look at this tarantula. Oh my gosh, this would be great for like spider fights. Oh,
Your spider would kill
yeah, every time. But these are like very gentle tarantulas. They're so adorable. They're so furry and so big and so cute. So beautiful. Hi. And there's the fall. Not everything, but hey. Her first. Oh, my first fall. So I may sound a little bit over enthusiastic in this videos. It's only because it's real and genuine, because I am a child of a tropical climate and have never experienced fall at all. We only have 2 seasons, and everything in between the 4 seasons is absolutely a good first time for me. I'm not the most athletically inclined person that you will ever meet. I'm dying. But it's a good day. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I don't need my distance. I just need fall. Let's go. I decided after filming the first like few seconds of this, is that I would stop filming the whole entire caving experience, because most of the time caves are really slick, and I was wearing hiking boots and I didn't want to risk it, so I didn't went on with it. So yeah, we had our first caving experience. Definitely a bit extreme for first timers, but it was really a good experience for us.
Philippines. When I got here, who has heard about the Philippines before I got here? You. What do you think? I'm of course you. What do you think most Philippines is like? Have you heard about stereotypes and stuff like that?
I know it's boxers.
Yes. most of the people go to the Philippines by Manny Pacquiao, which is the boxer, and some people call me a Pacific Islander, that I'm from like Hawaii or something, because I don't look like it.